Yeah, so what do we do? What do we do to fix it? Luckily, this backs up with Datto. So this is the Datto local device interface right now. So what I'm going to do is, now this is AMZ file. So I'm backing up AMZ file, luckily, and I'll show you after this demo what some more ins and outs and why Datto is as good as we are. So this looks like a files restore. Right now, all of my documents and desktop look like they were hit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restore that within a matter of seconds here. So let's click on File Restore. And also, we can proactively let you know that if you're looking to restore this point, there's some ransomware already possibly in that backup. So let's skip to another one. Luckily, the most recent one doesn't. So we're going to do that one, mount it up. And we can either access this through a Samba share, or we can go right to a web thing and go to the C. Now we can back up every single, we can restore every folder, as such, or we can get as granular as going into, one folder and getting one file. So I'm going to go to the administrator and I'm going to download documents, downloads, and desktop. I have downloads folder in my downloads. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I want to essentially get rid of this encryption. No, where is this? This is nope. Apologize. All right. So we can see WannaCry here. I'm going to unzip these documents just in the same folder. Right. Documents. And I'm going to overwrite all of these bad files here. So let's just paste them in. We're going to replace those. All right, let's just get rid of everything. It's all garbage anyway, right? So here we go. Copy, paste. And just like that, all of my files have been restored, and I can get back to work.
Maybe I want to mention something here. What Steve is demonstrating is how you can actually bring back your files, right? But let's say that the whole system is encrypted. What's important, what Steve will show you, is we can actually virtualize that server, right? In the previous state where the server was. And in the case of the list of servers on the left that was all encrypted, we can also virtualize multiple servers on the Datto appliance. So the idea here is, you've seen how quick Steve was able to copy the files. We say with the Datto, the downtime is as short as a coffee break. And this is particularly true, and Mike can testify to this. Not only they have Datto devices protecting their customers, but they have monitoring tools that will alert them proactively rather than reactively in events like this.
Yeah, I was going to say that was very, very quick. Like, I was expecting it to take at least 10 minutes. That was that was fast.
Yeah, absolutely. So as Milos was mentioning, this is how we proactively let you know. Like, sometimes ransomware attacks, and there are hundreds, if not thousands, of different kinds out there, but some of them lay dormant for a while, slowly encrypting these hard files, and you don't really notice yet. And then all of a sudden, your system's gone, and you realize that this has been happening for a while. So we can see in here all ransomware attacks from yesterday. All of this ransomware was like sitting on this machine, and you can see, I fixed it, so we're clear there. Yeah, so let's say, hypothetically, this infection took down this this server. So I'm going to shut down AMZ file. Yes, it's gone, right? It's offline. It's not usable at all. As I mentioned before, we back it up with Datto. So what we're going to do is, instead of a file restore, we're going to do a local virtualization. So what this does is it virtualizes the exact machine on the local device itself. So we're going to choose that same snapshot that is clear, because we don't want to have ransomware in it. We're going to hit Start Restore. And from here, it's 3 clicks away from getting up and running.